What's up, y'all? I'm Jay Wayne. You know, representing Team Take Profits, coming to you with another Take Profit Tuesday video. Basically, I just wanted to take you through one of my mornings of scalping the market. Alright, right now it's currently 3:23 a.m. and I just decided to vlog it and just hit record on the camera. So let's get it. What I like to do is go to a website first, and it's called investing.com, right? And here it is here, and it basically is showing me all the different pairs, you know, if it's strong sales, if it's for the 5-minute, the 15, the hourly, the daily, even the monthly, right? And so it shows me, you know, what is it doing, selling or buying, right? And I go off of that. Now keep in mind, I'm only scalping, so I only want quick moves, 5 to 15 minutes and I'm out, right? At the max 30 minutes, and then I'm closing my profits, right? So currently I'm in GBP USD for buy and for a quick scalp, and we're here and I'm just watching it go up. So right now we're looking pretty good. I'm expecting it to go up to this Bollinger Band here. Now when I'm doing my scalping, I like to draw my support and resistance on a 30-minute chart, right? 30-minute. And then I go to the 5-minute and the 1-minute and get in on my entries when I'm scalping. I like to draw my support and resistance on a 30-minute because it just gives me a broader picture of what's going on in the market at that moment. And I just found it to be useful to do it that way versus drawing support and resistance on a 5-minute, because that's where I'm entering. Does that make sense? I like GBP USD because, you know, the candles go so big, you know, and at this point, you know, I'm about to get out soon, because as soon as these wicks start popping up, I'm getting out of this trade. I'm on my computer, and as well I'm on the phone as well, you know, with all my indicators. And it helps me to determine when to get out the trade, you know, how long to stay in the trade. You know what I'm saying? And then I monitor the amount. So now we got a red candle in, right? Well, it showed red, but if it goes down just a little bit into taking my profits, I'm getting out. So I'm getting out of here. So I closed that trade, guys. So that was my first trade this morning. That was a successful trade. It was just a quick scalp, and this is what we do until about 6 o'clock, until it's time for me to go to work, guys, because I'm trying to trade Forex full time, and this is the only time I got. I like the London session. It's one of the better sessions for me. It moves fast, and so I have to get up at 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning, you know, so I can get these sessions in and then, you know, go to work. But this is what I gotta do, guys. You know what I mean? Don't make excuses, you know what I'm saying? Just like get this done. Go to sleep early so you can wake up and have a little energy, and you can focus, you know what I'm saying, and get it done. And I will stop scalping around 5 o'clock and just get another hour to sleep so I can get to work around 7. You see what I'm saying? So, you know, whatever it takes, guys. Remember, whatever it takes. It looked like it want to go up some more, so I'm getting in on another buy to ride this bad baby up. And like I said, guys, I expected it to go up to that top Bollinger Band that I got kind of grayed out, so we're gonna watch that. And this is basically what I do, you know, just ride from the top Bollinger Band to the bottom Bollinger Band. That's all it does, guys. It just snaps back to the top to the bottom. And once I'm done with this buy, then I'm gonna get in on the sell. And that's all I do all morning long. And sometimes I just stay in one pair. I stay in one pair and just eat off of that one pair, up and down, you know, until it's time to stop, or until I reach my goal. And so look like this one is stalling out right now. So if it look like it's losing momentum, then I just get out. But look like we're going up some more. So yeah, this is beautiful right here. We caught a good one for the camera. But yeah, this is what I do every morning, guys. I closed out of this one here. I closed it out because it's losing momentum. And if you go down to the to the 1 minute, you know, I saw this red candle form, so I don't want it to take away the profits that I just got. So, you know, and it's already at the top of my band. So, see, if you look on my indicators right here, soon as that crosses down, as soon as that one crosses to the downside, I get in on a sell. That's my stochastic. As soon as that crosses right there, and it crosses going downward, and as you can see that red candle is forming, that's when I'm gonna get in on a sell. Look like it's going back down, guys, so I got in on a sell. We just ride it up and down, up and down. That's all we do. Alright, so we was in on that buy, and now we are in on this sell here. So if you look on the 1 minute, it's consolidating. It's consolidating on the 1 minute. We're waiting for a breakout. So we might be getting that breakout. Uh-oh, look like we're getting that breakout, guys. And as you can see, I'm already in profit. It's dropping down. It went to the top Bollinger Band, and now it's heading to the bottom Bollinger Band, and that's what we do. We ride it up and down, up and down. I told you, it's no lie, guys. Alright, so I'm up again. As you can see, I'm in profit. Basically, the company that I'm with, iMarkets Live, you know, they have the academy, they have the tools, the education, the trainings that help me get to this point. I'm 5 months in, and I'm 5 months into trading Forex, and I'm just making money every single day because I put the time in, guys, with the company, you know, iMarkets Live. Our team is Team Take Profits. It's so many different teams within iMarkets Live, and mine is Team Take Profits, and we dominating, you know, we winning. Whole team is eating, right? But the company iMarkets Live, you know, if you guys got any questions, if you ever heard of it, right? You know, our platform is Forex. They have an educational system that help us when you first get in. The education, right? The education is important. I took the education serious, and they have it narrowed down, so you don't have to be, you know, learning one thing over here, learning another thing over here, learning so many different strategies. No, they just step by step. Basic 1, basic 2. What is Forex? What is a trend line? What is support and resistance? Bollinger Bands and then Fibonacci, right? It gradually increases to intermediate to advanced, okay? And so I took it serious, studied 4 hours a day, 2 in the morning, 2 at night, you know, and to the point where I can trade on my own. And here I am, guys, you know, trading on a live account, you know, making money every single morning to reach my goal. So if you guys, you know, curious about, you know, Forex and wanting to learn Forex, and I can help you guys. I can direct you to the right. I can direct you the right way and to get into Forex. Because a lot of people get into Forex and they blow their accounts in a week. They blow their accounts in a week. Alright? So I can help you avoid that. So email me. You know, my email is here below. If you're curious and want to learn Forex, you got any questions, you know, I advise you to reach out to me before you throw your money into the market. Or you can follow me on social media, and you can see and keep up with my progress and what I'm doing in the Forex market. So this is the strategy that I'm using this morning, scalping. Leave a comment below. Let me know what some of the strategies that you have. You know, some of the strategies that you like to use. I do long-term trading as well, but just want to wake up in the morning and just feel like switching it up and doing a little scalping. All right, so let me know, you know, what strategy you use in the comments below. I'm gonna end the video here, and I'm gonna see you next Tuesday with an awesome video. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.